how much did I earn from Bybit referrals? So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to check your Bybit commission in the Bybit. I'll show you step by step how to see how much did you earn in the Bybit by referring people. So first step, after you open up the Bybit app, go to your profile at the top left side. After you go to your profile like this, so scroll to down and tap on this all services. After you open the all services, now you tap on this, the first one where it says invite friends. After you select the invite friends, so the next thing to do, now you tap on this option. So now we tap on this statistic arrow, this one. So from this option now, if you have any commission in the Bybit, you'll be able to see it in this option, in this one. As you can see now the total amount that I earn is 0.002 USDT. So as you can see, you'll be able now to see all your commission in this option. And here you'll be able now to see, as you can see now, the transaction in the cart, your earn and your paid, all from your referrals. And that's it, guys, on how to see how much did you earn in the Bybit referral. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.